Hello everybody, it's me, the one who makes these videos. Let me just turn around the camera and you'll see part of my face. Well, this is my face. I'm over there. I'm just walking back. I've just been walking around outside with my phone in my hand because I don't know. I don't want my brothers to get into my phone. They're assholes. Well, a-holes. To the people who can't handle profanity. They say it's immature and crap like that. Here. Let me give you a more clear look. Yep. I wear glasses. I need them to see. I know, my vision. But I really do like... Oh, shit. Sorry for my foul language, everybody. Yeah. It's me. In the flesh. Yeah, when I'm not doing videos, I usually come outside and mess with some of my brothers. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, and I'm sorry for that. I try to upload as much as possible, but since I don't have any school, I can now upload a lot more. Isn't that great? Anyways, bye everybody. Have a great day, and a great week, and a great rest of your life. See ya, and stay educated.